Hello dear friends, after the completion of the second module, which was based on the description of the medicinal plant, we have started the module number 3 entitled Applications and Career Opportunities. Today I will speak on some Ayurvedic medicines and beauty products. Ayurveda in Sanskrit literally means the science of life. Ayurvedic knowledge originated in India more than 5000 years ago and is often called the mother of all healing. According to WHO, the herbal medicine serves the health need of about 80% of the world population. India inherits a rich herbal heritage. The drug obtained from plants is believed to be much safer and exhibits a remarkable efficiency in the treatment of various ailments. Herbal medicines are one of the dietary supplements. They are sold as tablets, capsules, powders, teas, syrups and extracts. Now see, these are the top 10 Ayurvedic companies with their logos which manufacture various Ayurvedic medicines. See the ranking of such type of companies. The first one, that is the Unire Life Sciences. Next to that Baidyanath company is there. Next one Dabur, then the Hamdard, then the Jhandu, then Patanjali, then Charak, then Himalaya, Vico, and the last one, that is the Sandu Pharmaceuticals. So this is this survey was undertaken to see the ranking, and according to that, the survey was undertaken in the year of 2019, and according to that, these are the top ranking Ayurvedic companies. Some of the important medicinal plants and their products, they are as follows. The first plant, very important one, and that is nothing but the Emlica officinalis. It is commonly known as the Aula. And which part it is medicinally important one? The fruits are used in the preparation of various type of Ayurvedic medicines, and the well-known product, that is the general tonic, and that is nothing but the Chyawanprash. See, these are the products manufactured by different companies. Here the role of the Aula is the richest source of vitamin C, and it is blood purifier, and it improves the immunity. It acts as the immunobooster. Now the second product of the same plant, that is the Emlica officinalis, and that is nothing but the Churna. Now here one of the very important type of product, it is developed by many pharmaceutical companies by the combination of the three fruits, and these three fruits are nothing but the Hirda, Behda and the Aula, and it is commonly known as the Triphala Churna. Triphala Churna is good antioxidant. It improves digestive health and act as immunomodulator. The next very important plant, that is nothing but the Asparagus racemosus, commonly known as the Shatavari. Here the underground fasciculated type of roots, they are medicinally important one, and such type of roots are generally used for the preparation of one of the product, and that is nothing but the Shatavari Kalp. See, these are the products developed by different companies. Now here it is used as the general tonic. It improves digestion, it improves fertility, it reduces the blood pressure, and it is good for the lactating women. The next very important type of plant, and that is nothing but the aloe vera, which is commonly known as the Corford. Here the fleshy type of leaves, they are generally used for the preparation of the medicinal product, or sometimes the juice, it is extracted from the leaves, and that is nothing but the very important type of medicinal product. Now here the juice is for treating the constipation piles and the various type of digestive problems. It acts as antioxidant and the natural laxative. The next important plant that is nothing but the Withania somnifera, commonly known as the ashwagandha. Here the leaves and the stem parts are generally used for the preparation of the powder form and the tablets one. Now here the products, they are in the form of powder as well as the tablets. Now see, these are the various type of companies and they develop the different products from that of Withania somnifera. Now here the role of the Withania, it is generally used for the boosting immunity. It manages stress, it lowers blood sugar level and it improves sleep, memory and male fertility. The next very important plant, that is the Rauwolfia serpentina. It is commonly known as the Sarpagandha, and particularly the underground roots are which is generally used for the preparation of very important type of medicine, and it is in the form of tablets product. It is in the form of tablets. Now here the role of the Rauwolfia serpentina, which is generally used to treat psychotic disorders, number of mental disorders. It reduces the anxiety, it lowers the blood pressure, and very important role of this Rauwolfia serpentina, it acts as the antidote for the snake bite and various type of poisonous type of reptiles. The next plant, very common type of plant, and that is nothing but the Adhatoda vesica. It is commonly known as the Adulsa, also known as the Vasaka, and particularly the leaves are very important one, and from that the product is developed, and that is nothing but the syrup. Now see the role of the Adhatoda vesica. Here this plant which is generally used to treat cough and cold, then the asthma, then the bronchitis and the disease like the leprosy. It means such type of very important type of plant which is generally used to treat the cough and the cold problems. The next plant, that is nothing but the Vitex nigando. It is commonly known as the Nirgudi, or in Hindi it is known as the Nirgundi, and the leaves are very important one, and from that by the process of distillation the oil is extracted, and this oil of the Nirgudi, it shows anti-arthritic, anti-inflammatory, expectorant and anthelmintic type of properties. The next very holy plant of Indians, and that is nothing but the Ocimum sanctum. We call it as the Tulsi. The leaves are very important one, and again the oil is extracted by number of pharmaceutical companies, and here the role of the oil, it is used to treat the respiratory, common cold, sore throat, asthmatic problems, and it is antiseptic and cures the fever. The next plant, that is nothing but the Terminalia Arjuna. It is commonly known as the Arjuna. Here the stem bark, it is medicinally important one, and the product, it is developed by the extracting such type of stem bark, and here such type of product, it is generally used as the cardiac tonic in the treatment of the cardiovascular problems related with that of the heart. It is used in chest pain and also to lower down the blood pressure. So this is the very important plant which is generally used against the number of cardiovascular type of diseases or the problems. The next plant, that is the Andrographis paniculata. It is commonly known as the Bhuinim, very bitter taste. And here the very small herbaceous type of plant, the entire plant, it is medicinally important one, particularly the stem and the leaves, they are important one, and the product, it is in the form of a very important type of medicine, and that is nothing but the Bhuinimbadi Kada. It is used in the treatment of the fever, cold, diabetes, ulcer and various type of skin diseases. So all these about the Ayurvedic type of medicines by using the various plants of various parts of the medicinal plant. Now such type of medicinal plants again used to prepare the number of beauty products. By using herbal beauty products, you may reveal the beautiful and the healthy skin. You can address variety of issues like the skin diseases, acne, wrinkles, rashes, pigmentation marks, etc. So it is concerned with that of the skin problems. Now some of the widely used beauty products and their companies, they are as follows. And the first product, that is nothing but the gel, which is used in skin diseases, burns, cuts, wounds, ulcers, eruptions. In the preparation of the gel, following plants are generally used by many pharma companies. The first important plant, that is nothing but the Coreford aloe vera. Here the role of the Coreford, it acts to care skin and it softens, soothes and moisturizes the skin. So this is the very main important property of the aloe vera. The second plant which is used for the preparation of the gel, and that is nothing but the neem. It shows antiseptic properties and it cures skin diseases. The third very important type of plant, that is nothing but the tulsi. Tulsi shows antibacterial properties and cures ringworm and the other type of skin diseases. The last one, that is nothing but the turmeric, curcuma longa. It shows the antiseptic and the fairness property. So this is about the first product, and that is nothing but the gel. The second product, that is nothing but the soap. It helps to restore and repair the skin, refresh the skin. Most beneficial in some kind of the fungal skin infections. In the soap preparation, the plants like the neem, turmeric and the sandalwood are used. Now see the properties of the sandalwood. It shows the antiseptic, astringent properties and used in the treatment of the inflammatory and eruptive skin diseases. The next product, that is nothing but a shampoo, which prevents hair loss, anti-dandruff, revitalizes the hair roots, chemical free and suitable for all kinds of the hair. Many pharmaceutical companies use Amla as the major ingredient in shampoo preparation. Now about the Amla. Amla, it protects the cells against the free radical damage and provides antioxidant protection. It also helps to maintain youthful hair color, retards premature graying and supports the strength of their follicles. So these are the products. The next one, the next plant, that is nothing but the Rita Sapindaceae marginata, commonly known as the soap berry. Aqueous extract of the Rita fruit, it is generally used as the detergent and that is used against the various type of bacteria and dermatophytic type of fungi which causes the dandruff in the hair. The next very important type of plant which is generally used in majority of the shampoos, and that is nothing but the shikakai. It induces the hair growth, it fights against the dandruff, it nourishes the hair follicle, then it cleanses the hair, it prevents the graying and it adds the shining in the hair. So these are the various type of important properties by number of medicinal plant. The next product, that is nothing but the body cream, which hydrates, moisturizes and revives the skin. It repairs the damaged scales, gives soft and the healthy skin. Plants like Coreford, turmeric, then the neem plays a very important role in the preparation of the body creams. The next product, that is the face wash, a perfect blend which removes impurities, prevents pimples and acne. It relieves dry skin, moisturizes and improves skin health. Many pharmaceutical companies use Coreford, sandalwood, then the neem and the tulsi for the preparation of the face wash. So these are the number of products developed by number of pharmaceutical company. The last product, that is nothing but the hair oil. Say the importance of the hair oil. It nourishes hair. It stimulates hair growth and adds shine. It reduces exposure to the chemical and the other non-natural ingredients. In hair oil, other than avla, the other plant parts are also used. The first one, that is nothing but the Brahmi. It may help to improve the memory, attention and the ability to process the visual information. It may help to reduce the stress and anxiety by elevating mood. The next very important plant, that is nothing but the Bhringraj. Bhringraj oil treats baldness and promotes hair growth. It prevents the hair fall. It prevents the graying of the hair, and it treats dandruff and the dry scalp. The last very important plant, that is the hibiscus, commonly known as the jasmine. Jasmine oil or the hibiscus oil is there, and this hibiscus oil rejuvenates the scalp and promotes the hair growth. Vitamin C and amino acids nourish the hair and strengthen the roots of the hair, and also adds luster to the hair. So this is about the various type of products, beauty products. So dear friends, Indian herbs and its significance are popularly worldwide. The herbal cosmetics have growing demand in the world and is an invaluable gift of nature. The nature content does not cause any side effects on the body. The natural content does not cause any side effects on the body. Therefore, herbal cosmetics are safe and effective approach. So friends, conserve such type of very important type of precious plants and use them effectively. Thank you very much.